In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix CapCut lagging glitches. If your preview keeps stuttering, your timeline feels sticky, or your playhead can't keep up, these quick adjustments will smooth things out without hurting your final export quality. Start by opening your project in the editor and heading to the bottom right corner of the preview window. You'll see a button showing the current preview quality, often labeled full. Click it and choose a level that matches your needs. Full, high, medium, or low. Lowering this only affects what you see while editing. It does not downgrade your export. If your computer is struggling, switch to medium or low to reduce the load on your system and get a more responsive timeline. You can always bump it back up to full when you want to check fine details like text, sharpness, or color. Next, go to the top left and open the main menu, then select Settings. If your project is currently open, back out to the home screen first so settings apply cleanly. In the Settings pop-up, go to the Draft tab and look for cache size. You'll see a trash icon next to it. Click that and confirm the deletion if a prompt appears. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that can grow large or become corrupted over time, which often causes playback glitches. Don't worry, this won't delete your actual projects or media. After clearing, reopen your project so CapCut can rebuild only what it needs. Now switch to the Performance tab. Find the proxy option and turn it on. This creates lightweight proxy versions of your clips to edit with, making scrubbing and playback much smoother while preserving your original quality for export. It may take a moment for proxies to generate on longer or high-resolution footage, but once they're ready, the editing experience should feel dramatically snappier. Make sure to click Save at the bottom of the pop-up so your changes stick. Lastly, ensure your device has enough free storage. Video editors need working space for cache and temporary files, and when your drive is nearly full, everything can lag, inside CapCut and across your system. Free up space by removing files you no longer need or moving large media to another drive. Keeping a healthy buffer of free storage helps prevent bottlenecks during editing and exporting. That's it. Adjust preview quality, clear the cache, enable proxies, and keep your storage in good shape. With these steps, CapCut should run far more smoothly, so you can focus on creating instead of fighting lag.